One of the main reasons we love Android is the myriad of customization options. Whether your phone carries the Samsung or OnePlus logo in its rear, it is possible to make your phone one of a kind. Launcher apps have a long-drawn fancy of users to change the way the phone feels on a daily basis. There are numerous launcher apps on the Google Play Store that can help you achieve a unique home screen setup, and that's exactly why in this video I'm going to showcase top 5 best Android launchers for customization that you should try in 2021. Excited? So let's get started. Kicking off the list with customized Pixel Launcher, which is very similar to Pixel Launcher. The app is a bit superior to the Pixel Launcher, specifically in terms of customization options, and has many features that you won't be able to find in any other custom launcher. Though the overall look and theming of customized Pixel Launcher is almost similar, customizations like interactive UI option, home screen customization, widget padding, precisely designed icon packs, fluid animation and much more makes it better than the stock Pixel Launcher. The app has all the potential to become the best third-party launcher, and that is why we have included CPL in our list. Fast, sleek and highly customizable, Nova Launcher is among the best modern Android launcher that is still the king of launchers in terms of customization. Nova balances extensive appearance and utility customization with a minimal performance impact, letting you set your home screen just right without slowing down the performance. Nova Launcher is known for its customization features like gesture support, customization of apps look and feel, Android icon pack support, themes and more. The best thing about this launcher for Android is that its developer team keeps it updated and thus helps in removing bugs and errors. For greater ease, home screen layouts can be stored in the backup while switching to a new device. Nova Launcher includes features like gesture controls like swipe, pinch, double tap and more, unread count badges for messages, new tabs or folders in the app drawer, hides never used apps and more. Microsoft Launcher is one of the most productive and customizable launcher app for Android. It offers the user an easy way to manage their stuff on their devices. Right from tailoring the calendar to-do list and sticky notes, this Android launcher app makes it more productive with Cortana, which can read unread text messages, calendar updates and more for the user. The digital assistant is an add-on and it stands out among other similar Android launchers. The app is a boon for people who have a Microsoft account because the user get direct access to documents, calendars and other recent activities. The Microsoft Launcher app syncs all the Windows devices and makes it easier for the user. Hyperion Launcher is a multi-featured dynamic Android launcher that stands out for quite many reasons. These reasons include a subdue of customization in folder, theme, widget and standard wallpapers. It also provides adaptive icons that go well with almost any color contrast or brightness. Even though several features of Hyperion Launcher are restricted and can only be unlocked in purchasing the Pro version, such as custom gesture and changes in launcher itself, the free version is still substantial for more than general use. The Launcher Launcher is the last launcher in our list, and it is a Pixel-like launcher that comes ridiculously close to providing all the features of Google Pixel, such as Google Discoveries, At a Glance widget and more. And if we compare it with the previously mentioned customized Pixel launcher, this offers a better stability, but less features. Being a third-party launcher, it provides a great number of customization features such as variable grid, icon size, notification dot, etc., thus coming out even better than original Pixel launcher. Other than that, there is a dark theme support integrated of CSAM Universal Search and Pixel-like App Action now. The Launcher Launcher 2.0 also has drawer categories, tabs and folders in the app drawer. Overall, the Launcher Launcher is one of the best launcher for Android for Pixel fans out there. So guys, these are some of the best launchers for customization that you can try right now. So which of the previously mentioned launcher you like the most? Do you think we have missed any launcher? Then do let us know that in the comments down below. And for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next one.